The last talk to which I'm going to dedicate a video is one that is very special for me. It is because the subtitles in Spanish that can be chosen in the video were made by me. I did this by registering as a collaborator on the TED site through a platform called amara.org, where you can do exactly that. This is my profile on the TED site, where I appear as a TED translator, and this is the talk given by Tim Donner. Now, to watch the video, I just click it to get to the YouTube site. This talk is not about a specific method to learn a new language. The idea that Tim Donner wants to leave is how to find a reason to learn a new language. He tells how his life changed because of his celebrity status of being a polyglot when he was just a teenager, and also the way the media tried to sensationalize his story. Although at first he didn't have a clear reason to learn other languages, one day he decided to record himself speaking some languages and then upload the videos to YouTube, where he caused a sensation among the people who watched them. Thanks to this, he found the opportunity to practice with people who had different ways of seeing the world. This made him become passionate about learning languages, and to satisfy his need to learn more and faster, he experimented with new ways of memorizing words to achieve the fluency he wanted to get. Some of the methods that Tim Donner mentions are the memorization of words through the association of images, which is something I will explain in a video of the next section. He also highlights the importance of being brave and going to people to speak them in their language, because if that happens only for a few minutes, there will be experiences where you will learn a new word, or maybe you can clarify a doubt you may have. Tim Donner, like other people who have done incredible things, has something in common. They know the reason why they do things. As with the other previously mentioned talks, please watch it and you will understand more clearly what I just explained. Also remember to download the PDF document that accompanies this video, where I left the links for other talks in which other methods for learning languages are exposed.